All right, thanks for coming back. So now what we're going to be working on is we're going to be adding in a chat color, and we'll also add in a default chat color for each one of the users. So let's first just get our project up and running. Hey, Great Gamer, welcome back. I see your name up on the leaderboard from time to time. Hey, wait for the back end to load. And everything is good. So now what I'm going to do is over here in my chat module, I want to have a new what? Well, this doesn't know what it's talking about. Let me reload this project. Yeah, I've been putting time into No Turning Back. We'll be playing some of it later. I was thinking about releasing it on mobile. What do you think? And we'll start up my app. So here in my chat component, I want to have a property called chat color, which will be a string. And let's just default this to black. How much would it be on mobile? We're thinking about putting an ad version for free and a 99-cent version. And then putting it up on AdSense. Okay? And so now, I need to look up my NGX color picker. Yeah, I was thinking it would be fun. And to use this, it's just like this on my chat component. Underneath my message, we'll put it right here. I'm going to put an input, and this is called a color picker, equals and it's chat color. Let's take a look at what we did there. So now when I join a stream, we do have my object here for my color picker. It doesn't look like that it's setting anything. And we want that to be to the left of the button. So now if I was to open up in code my OpenDJ Radio app, and I look in the project for color picker, it says that I'm supposed to have this style color background thing. And that should do it. We're going to change my color picker. And add it into here as a div like that. And then I can get rid of these statements. So this time I join my stream. I set my outbound bot. And I can say a color. So back in here, if I was to do this again, when I do my, I'm doing it with an ng content scroll here. I don't see bot being selected anywhere. And when we click send message, I want to do an alert here of my this.chat color. Okay, it's 0000000, and if I was to change it over here, that's cool. That worked. And I did another test. It's got a pound in front of it. It says that she's supposed to be talking. That's interesting. That worked through Discord, but my Twitch message didn't send. So it's never sending its own message out. Here, it never made it out to Twitch. So over here in my send message, there should be a send message. How do you actually do this stuff? What do you mean? Where is it? I'm looking for the TCP bot. Looking for the Twitch bot. It's not here. So each one of the bots are done in this models called bot BLL, bot Twitch BLL. That's to send a message. We also have one to send it immediately. The Twitch chat is easy when you look at the Twitch API and IRC protocol. Yeah, it's not too bad. Hello again. I never even saw it there. Hey there, SimGuy321. How are you doing? Welcome to the channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them into the chat. When I look at my final routing here, and I'm doing my Twitch message, for each one of my paths, which is active, it's the same ID. So if my route doesn't have any paths which are outbound, I think that's supposed to be the other way. That didn't work. Fine, I like the rabbit. Thanks, Sim Guy. Follow the white rabbit. That's the logo for my company. So, let me try that again. Let's try that again here. Because you're outputting because it's not outputting to that channel there. So we want to add this back in. And I'll just comment this out for now. Try it again. Need to wait for it to join the Twitch channel here. Something is red? What do you mean, Great Gamer? Let me join that WebSocket path. Do a test here. I don't care so much about that. I think that's just a breakpoint. Okay, now it's joining the channel. Still nothing. Yeah, so you are receiving the message. And then you're sending it out in the routing. All right, I'll see you later, Fallen Hope. Okay, that's good. This time, for each path, which is outbound and my provider matches. Oh, weird. Let's try another one. We'll reconnect. Okay, this time I'm going to send the Twitch message. My routes do exist, so I'm going to send it across the pipe. That was good. Did it not join the server yet? Wait for it to connect. Is this not taking any longer? There it is. If I look here at my stream, I want to look at my servers joined. It says I'm already in it. So that's good. We're going to process this. Okay, if my path.server does not equal to Twitch server ID. Okay. If I look here at my message base, we have a path that it came in on. So what I want to do is on iMessage base, I want to add in here a boolean called is from web app. So over here, when I send a message through the web API, here I'm broadcasting when I've received a TCP message. So this is when I send a message now. I want to say that my message.is, and this needs to be implementing is from web app. Now you can't do that because this is a struct, right? And we want this to be immutable. Which means that where this is created on the front end, is here. We want to have on this a is from web app, which is a boolean. And so this will be a is from web app is true. Okay. So in my service routing, if my route has any paths which are outbound and are equal to my message provider type, And here I'm going to say, and it's either your path does not equal to that, or your s dot message dot is from web app. So if my path server does not equal to Twitch server and my message is from web app is true, now it should work. We'll also look at my Discord message. So right here, well, check that. Let's go ahead and run it. This one needs to have a is from web app, and we want to do a set to be nothing. This needs to be a Boolean. Okay, this one we can get rid of set. And we want to add in here a is from web app, which is a Boolean. This one, it looks like you should create a new message for this. So up here we're going to say args equals new message TCP. And in this, we're going to say my chat color is equal to my c.chat color. My message is equal to c.message. My path ID is equal to c.path ID. My provider type is equal to c.provider type. My impression was that this thing, because it's immutable, we would want to pass all of our parameters into it and have a constructor. So if I look at my structs, the first one is here. Let's go ahead and change this so the gets here actually have a get and a set. This needs to have a boolean called is from web app. This one needs to have a boolean called is from web app. As does this one. Okay. Just to make sure that none of these have any sets on them now. Looks good. So now here, I can do my is from web app equals is from web app. Server equals c.server. User equals this one. Server source equals c.server source. Stream source equals c.stream source. And your user source equals u.user source. Like that. You're going to do the same thing here. And this is a message WS. And this is your server. And this is your web server. And this is a path server. .route.bot.user. The next one is this one. And this is a new message Discord. And it's going to be your channel Discord is equal to this. This is a server Discord. This is a user Discord. And this is a path. And the last one is this message Twitch. Which is this server, this user, like that. Here, when I'm sending this to a stream, I want to do the same thing that I just did. And so in this one, we want to say message equals new message Twitch. And we're going to assign my chat color equals message.chat color. Is from web app equals message.is from web app. Message equals this. Path ID equals message.path ID. Provider type equals message.provider type. Server equals message.server. Server source equals message.server source. this is all from C. Stream source equals C dot stream source. User equals C dot user source. And then user source equals C dot user source. This one, so for this one, I'm going to change it just a little bit. I want to look at this one, and I want to add in here a stream DTO. And we'll just add this one in here. So now that we're passing in the stream, when I'm making these things, we'll want to have this same stream on this one and this one. Because here, we're going to do this as a message equals new message TCP, like this. Look at them all you have to fix. And your stream source comes from stream. And your chat color comes from c.chatcolor. And your is from web app comes from is from web app. And your path ID equals your path ID. Okay, we look at the next one. This includes a response, so this should be fine already, except for these remaining properties, which is chat color equals chat color, is from web app equals is from web app, and path ID equals path ID. That one's good. The next one is down here. We want to do this as a bot twitch.send message to my server, and then this message here. Okay. Okay. This next one looks fine. Not quite. Just a few. Okay. Your WebSocket message, same thing here. This one you need to do a chat color equals c dot chat color is from equals is from, and path ID equals c dot path ID. And you can bring up this message WS like that. And your stream source is stream. Okay. Stream source here is stream. Like that. Okay, here's our commands. This one is a chat color is equal to c dot chat color is from web app equals c dot is from web app. Path ID equals c dot is, it's called path ID. And this needs to be a stream source. Second. I didn't think I changed those out. On these, sorry, this is just stream. Man, let me check that again here. This needs to be a stream and a stream. This is stream source. Stream, stream, stream. The next one is we're going to do this one here. And on this one, it looks like that we're switching on response here. So stream, 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 and stream. This next one here, two streams again. Sorry, it's this one. And this is stream. Okay, the next one is down here. This is stream, 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 and stream. Okay? This next one is there. And that looks fine. The next one here, stream, chat color equals c dot chat color, is from web app equals is from web app, and path ID equals c dot path ID. And then this one is stream. And we can bring these chat colors and things in. And then this one, we're going to change that so it's one of those. Okay, the last two are down here, and it's going to be stream and stream. And in here, change this one, and this one, and this one. And then we also need to include the chat color, the is from web app, and the path ID. Like that. And the last one are these commands. And this is going to be a stream with a chat color, a is from web app, and a path ID. Like there, and then here. And this time, we could just do your C dot channel Discord, and this one is your C dot user. And that's it. Hey there, El Ray. And so now in my routing, when we process this Twitch message, and I log in, we need to wait for it to join. My initial chat color doesn't get set here. So I guess I could do a two-way binding on that. I need to wait for it to join the server. There it is. Okay, still didn't set the initial color. Seems to be a little broken here. Cannot read property of avatar URL of null. Strange. Check that again. Well, I just did a bunch of refactoring on this because I made them immutable. And here we'll do an NGX color picker default value. CP toggle. Color picker, the color to show in the color picker dialog. So what if I just change this to be one way? Nope. Let's check that again. Cannot read property of avatar URL in chat. So it messed it up somewhere. So up here, I'm doing my send message. Crap. Okay, let's go into source tree. Take a look here. We'll leave those. It's these that don't work anymore. So let's just do a we do need to keep our is from web app, but everything else can go. So back in over here now, I need to look at my structs, and I need to have a prop bool is from web app. So now in service routing, when I'm sending this Twitch message, if there are not any paths which are outbound, that don't equal this path that this came in from, or if your message.is from web app. And we'll try it again. We'll give it a login. Clear this out, join the stream. We need it to join my channel. What was that all about? Style.background is not a valid attribute name. It doesn't like it if it doesn't have both of those, does it? Now it's assigning the chat color. But I got rid of this one and tried it again. Oh, it's for an event. This should be fine. Good, so that's sent. And it set my chat color. And it will send it in red, but it's not sending it in red on the Twitch. Second. Yeah, this is input one way. So this is two-way. This should be working. Why isn't it giving me a default value? Saying FFFFFF. It shouldn't be. It should be 0000000. Let's create this. Okay, let's try that. Oh, is that what it is? Am I just using the wrong character there? Thank you. There it is. Yeah, that was it. Thank you. Okay. And so now the next thing is on when we send a chat message here in Twitch. So that's here inside of my models bot Twitch. When I'm sending this message, I thought there would be a way to specify the color. TwitchLib.client. So does this have a... It has a on color change or something? On chat color changed. So let's look at TwitchLib.client. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do with TwitchLib. Twitch client. Send message, send whisper, on read line. Why don't I see this? I know they send the name via tags as well. That's why I was expecting this too. It says it's in a helper method. I don't see it. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to change. Helper methods also exist. Change chat color extension. It's a static class called change chat color extension. Change chat color to my client, my joined channel, and an enumerator of my presets, but there should be an overload. Ugh. Ugh. What about if I was to change my chat color here in the chat? How do I do that? you use color in your color name. Is it a color name or is it a hex? Here it is. It's only turbo users can use hex values. I mean, that sucks. Thank you for that docs. Yeah, that's the same doc that I'm looking at. So what that means is that if it's a Twitch Turbo, okay. That's so lame. That's so lame. Because, like, I don't even know. If I was to look at NGX Color Picker, can I limit the colors? Array of preset colors to show in the color picker. Just for fun. Yeah, see, we're thinking exactly the same thing. Do you know what the hex colors are for them? I guess I'd have to get it from the messages. CP preset colors. Are going to be equal to 2222222 55555 77777. Is this not running? We have to put it in an array. Okay? All right, let's just try one for now. We'll work our way up. Is it maybe it's an object or something? I gotta look at the docs a little more. try that. Yep, we're right there together. Okay? This time when I look at my color picker, it only is giving me my presets down here. So that means that I could also do a CP color mode called presets. And there we go. So we can do it. We're going to have to figure out what presets that we want if this is in fact being sent from a Twitch bot. And if it's not, then we can send it by any color. Not for a Discord bot, but for WebSocket and TCP we can. Thank you there, Elray. I'm out of time for the day. Thank you for staying with me. I will see you guys in the morning at 6:30 a.m. If you have any questions, make sure you check us out at discord.pixelhorrorstudios.com. And also I put up all these videos at youtube.pixelhorrorstudios.com. Have a great rest of your day, guys. And I will see you at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.